Hey, good evening, Skipper and Clark here in the Boatworks, finishing up on our 8-foot punt named Scuppers. Started off looking at some design plans for the $12 boat and made some changes to that, variation on the theme. It's 8 feet long. She's about 30 inches wide on the beam. On their the original plans, they had the stern running flat. We tucked both ends up, and we tucked up the bow just a little bit more than we did the stern. So this is the bow here. Everything's flipped upside down, of course, drying. And some of the additional things we did, we added some rub strips on the bottom for a loading. I don't know, we might sand that paint off and just put some wood sealer or varnish on there. I don't know, loading it into somebody's truck if it's going to leave a yellow stripe or something. Put also a little rub rail on the side. And we've got to add a few other things. We're going to put in a bow line, maybe some cleats. We've got oar locks to go in there. To be the tertiary mode of propulsion would be oars. But we finished the paint today. We've got Rust-Oleum safety yellow on the bottom. On the sides we have Total Boat Wet Edge, Blue Glow white, and on the gunnels we have Interlux Bright Side medium blue. Did a little bit of fairing with some Total Fair to cover up the screw holes on the side that hold the frames inside. And back here's the stern. These rub strips also, if you run it up on the beach somewhere, it help a little bit if you're doing gravel or something else, but we're mainly thinking sand. So we're gonna test her out, see what kind of weight carrying capacity we think she might have, whether we want to add any supplemental flotation or not. And here's her primary mode of propulsion, the punt pole. We'll start off with about a 12-footer, and since Scuppers is painted in Army Air Corps Stearman colors, we'll get her rudder, her propulsion and steering device back here painted up just like the Stearmans were. And come down here for a little foot. I wasn't sure what to do on the end, so looked at a few things online, a lot of variations. I decided to try to model a heron's foot, and this will be what she'll be punted around with, go punting in the punt. And then her secondary mode of propulsion, potential steering, is going to be a little paddle. So that's what we've been working on, and should let all this paint get all hardened up and dried, and we'll take her out for sea trials here probably in a week or so. That'll about do it for now.